Good day, everyone. Today we are going to be talking about indices. Indices in mathematics are numbers with powers. There are various rules of indices, in which the first rule we are going to be looking on is multiplication rule. Now, what does multiplication rule state? Let's say you have two base numbers that are the same and they have different powers. We can turn these two base numbers to be 1. So let us represent these base numbers as x and the power as b. So we can turn it to x raised to power a plus b. That is, the multiplication returns to addition. So that is, if you have something like 5 raised to power 2 times 5 raised to power 3, then that will be equals to 5 raised to power 2 plus 3. That's equals to 5 raised to power 5. The second one we are going to look on is division rule. So you have x raised to power a divided by x raised to power b. That will be equals to x over x raised to power a over x raised to power b. That can be x raised to power a minus b. So for example, let's say we have 5 raised to power 3 divided by 5 raised to power 2. So it can be written as 5 raised to power 3 over 5 raised to power 2, and that is 5 raised to power 3 minus 2, and that is equal 5 raised to power 1. The next rule is power law. The next rule is power law. Here, let's say we represent a number as x raised to power a or bracketed raised to power b, so it can be written as x raised to power ab. So we are just going to multiply the two powers together. For an example, let's say you have 5 raised to power 3 times 2, so that will give us 5 raised to power 6. The next one will be product power law. Here, let's say you have xy all raised to power a. You can use the power to open the bracket, so that will be x raised to power a y raised to power a. For example, x raised to power xy all squared, that will be x squared y squared. Also, you have to note that x squared y squared can be written as x y all squared once the powers are the same. The next law is zero index law. Zero index law just states that any number raised to power 0 will be equals to 1. 5 raised to power 0 is 1, 10 raised to power 0 is 1. The next law we are going to be talking about now is negative index law. Negative index law. So for example, let's say you have x raised to power a, it can be written as 1 over x raised to power a. The minus will change to division. Also, 1 over x raised to power a can be written as x raised to power minus a. The division will change to minus. So for example, let's say you have 5 raised to power minus 2, that will be 1 over 5 raised to power 2. Also, let's say you have 1 over 5 raised to power 2, that can be equal to 5 raised to power minus 2. So that is that. You have to note some stuffs. We have x over y all raised to power minus half or minus anything. That minus will change the fraction number to its reciprocal. The reciprocal of x over y will be y over x. This will be y over x. So that will not be x over y raised to power minus half, can be written as y over x all raised to power half. So the minus has changed the number to its reciprocal. For example, 5 over 2 all raised to power minus half will be 2 over 5 raised to power half. Also, 3 over 4 all raised to power minus half all raised to power 2 over 5 can be 4 over 3 all raised to power 2 over 5. So the minus in the power will change the fractional number to its reciprocal. So the next law is root power law. So if you have something like x raised to power half, it can be written as root x, while also root x can be rewritten as x raised to power half. Also, for example, let's say you have 4 raised to power half, it can be written as root 4, while also root 4 can be written as 4 raised to power half. The next thing you have to know is that x all raised to power 1 over 3 can be written as cube root x. Also, cube root x can be written as x raised to power 1 over 3. for example, if you have 5 raised to 1 over 3, it can be written as cube root 5. Also, cube root 5 can be written as 5 raised to 1 over 3. Also, if you have x all raised to 1 over 4, it can be written as 4th root x. And also, 4th root x can be written as x raised to 1 over 4, etc. and so on. So, you have to note, if we have an expression in the form x raised power c over b, it can be written as bit root x all raised to the power of c. For example, if we have 3 raised power 2 over 3, it can be written as cube root 3 all squared. So the denominator will be under the root, and the numerator will be the power. Also, if we have bit root x all raised power c, bit root x all raised power c, it can be rewritten as x all raised power c over b. So the number inside the roots will be the denominator and the power will be the numerator. So for example, if you have cube root 3 all squared, it can be written as 3 raised power 2 over 3. So the 3 inside the roots has become the denominator. So let's say the unknown you are looking for is the power of a base number, as 5 raised power x equals 25. The unknown we are looking for is x. So you are going to express the other side of the equation in form of the base number in the right hand side. So 25 will be 5 raised power 2. So 5 will cancel 5, then x will be equals to 2. Also, let's say you have 4 raised to power x equals 16. So you are going to express 16 in form of 4. So that will be 4 raised power x equals 4 squared, because 4 squared will give us 16. 4 will cancel 4, therefore x will be equals to 2. So let's look at some examples.
So for example, we are asked to calculate x in this equation. Firstly, we are going to write this equation as 9 raised power 2 minus x equals 3 raised power 1. We can express 3 as 3 raised power 1 because anything raised power 1 will be that thing. So secondly, we're going to find a way to express this 3 in form of 3, this 9 in form of 3. Then we're going to rewrite it as 3 squared 2 minus x all equals 3 raised power 1. The next we're going to do is that 3 will cancel 3. Then we're going to be left with 2 minus x equals to 1. If we open the bracket, that will be 4 minus 2x equals to 1. Then we can collect the like times. This minus 2x will come to the other side, then this one will come to the other side. And now if this one comes to the other side, it will be 4 minus 1. And if this minus 2x comes to the other side, it will be what? Plus 2x. So we'll be left with 3 equals 2x. Make x the side of the formula. So that will be x equals 3 over 2. That's equals to 1.5.
So if you have been following the lecture since, kindly participate in this example and drop your answer in the comment. Thanks you for watching.